Why are you talking about these people that got the Ekabit, right? The Rugagis and the Rugagis that got the Ekabit, right? Look at it this way. Ekabit, yes. By who? Man of flesh. 2, if they were really true to their practice, they wouldn't be dealing with nobody like me. Period. So it really doesn't matter what the opinion of the general public is, because every single thing I'm talking about, these pastors know for sure I'm not lying. But they're going to keep pretending like I don't exist. You don't want to address me because you don't know how to defend yourself. Because everything I'm saying is true. Because all these pastors move dirty. They just want to pump money out of the people. Because when you come to this country and you don't know how to survive, the only thing you know how to do to survive is get it off the backs of your own people, right? To step on your own people. That's a pastor operating in fear. And if you're operating in fear, you do not trust God that everything is going to be okay. So you do dirty, evil shit, like scamming your community. Making people feel bad because they're not making your kakunanas, right? This foot is not coming off none of y'all's necks anytime soon. And by the end of this summer, your business will be out of business. Your church business. Hear me now. By the end of this summer, everybody else is going to stop going to these scamming ass churches and connect with God themselves. Yes, I do. I believe in God. I don't believe in these man of flesh ass pastors that are telling me things that my gut feeling is like, a skirt. What do you mean? Just because I did not receive Ekabit from your pastor or somebody you know does not mean I was not sent by the Most High. That only shows your limitations of what you believe spiritually and religiously.